Yo, what's up? It's Yujin Tang. This is another episode of Super Simple Python. So today we're going to be going over the least common multiple, which is, the least common multiple of two numbers is the product divided by their greatest common denominator. So we just went over the greatest common denominator function. There's actually two ways. There's a bunch of ways to do these common multiple, but we're going to go over two ways. We're going to go over how you get it using the greatest common denominator, and we're going to go over how you do it iteratively. So let's go over the greatest common denominator way first. So I just wrote this, so I'm just going to copy and paste this right here. We'll take the recursive one. It doesn't really matter. And then we'll do def LCM from GCD x, y, return x times y divided by recursive GCD x, y. And then we'll do the other way, def iterative LCM x, y. Basically what we're going to do here is we're just going to add the smaller number to itself until that sum is divisible by the larger number. So if x is less than y, small equals x, big equals y, else small equals y, big equals x. So while, so we'll do, so LCM equals small, while LCM divided by big, or mod big is not equal to 0, LCM plus equals small. And then at the end, we'll just return the LCM. So let's test this out. Print LCM from GCD. Let's do, 5 and 25. This should give us 25. 16 and 4. 16 and let's pick a number that's not divisible by 16 and 9. Okay, yeah. So that should give us 16 times 9, which is what, 144. And then we'll do one more. How about 7? How about 70 and how about 7 and 105? I don't actually know what the GCD of this should be. I think it's just 7 times 105. I think this is going to be, wait, is 105 divided by 7? Oh, it is divided by 7. Okay, so it should just be 105. And then we'll just do the same thing with the other LCM. Iterative LCM. Okay, so. Yep. Oh, yeah, okay. So here, in order to make this an integer, we'll just wrap this in an int. That's not what I wanted to do. Where is it? Oh, there it is. And there we go. 25, 144, 105, just like we expected. So yeah, that's how you get the least common multiple of two numbers in two different ways in Python. You can do it with the GCD, the greatest common denominator, or you can do it iteratively. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful for you, or if you like this, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. All right, peace out. See you guys next time.